Hello everyone, Faizan from dataSights. To start with Google Analytics 4, after logging to your data hub, inside the connector, you can search for GA4 connector and add a new entity. Before adding the new entity, you need to add this address as a user to your Analytics account. So log into your analytics.google.com and inside settings, you will find account access management. Come here, click on this plus sign, add user, add that email address, and give viewer permission. Also, you need to copy the property ID, whatever property you have, you can find it from here. You'll need that, okay? And so you can give any name, let's say demo, and select the type. So this is very important based on what data you want. You want monthly data or rows to be weekly or daily. So likewise, select the type, and for each type, there are some mandatory dimensions which are configured as it is. If you select monthly, month is one; for weekly, week year; for daily, date. So make sure to keep these dimension as it is and add new ones, comma separated. Okay. So now add the property ID, give it a name, okay, and you can come here. There's a nice dimension and metrics explorer. You can log into your account and select your property, and it search for the corresponding dimensions and metrics. So let's say, for example, if I search source, so if I need source medium, this is one dimension, okay. So I can add this like source medium, yeah. And any metrics, let's say session and engagement rates, okay, and give your table any name, let's say demo, and you need to configure the table fields. These are the table columns. So default one, month and year are already configured. So source, session, and engagement rates we need to configure. So click on one, two, three. Dimension as source medium. You can change this name if you want. So this is the column name in the table. And text is fine. Let's select matrix, session, integer is fine, metric, engagement rate, decimal. Okay. And if you want to add filter, let's say for example, if you want engagement rates greater than 10, so what you can do is you can select metric, engagement rate. This is numeric filter. Select greater than in decimal 10. So this is a filter. And here you need to specify number of days to go back for a scheduled refresh. So you can select daily, weekly, or hourly, or whatever the refresh you set inside the sinks. So you can set the window. Let's say 30 days window. So it will go and refresh the past 30 days data. Okay. And this is the historical initial sync date. Okay. So let's say I want data from 1st of January 2018, and this is an optional email address in case of error. You'll get notified. Save. If anything is wrong, then you'll get the error message here, so you can correct that. So likewise, later on you can come and edit anything. Remember, if you edit this table name, this table name will remain as it is, and a new table will be created and loaded from the start. Or if you do any change a table field, then the table will get truncated and recreated, and the sync start from the beginning. So that's how it works. So hope this helps, and good luck. Thank you.